Hi everyone, welcome back to Nina Kitchen. Today I got some fresh beetroot with me, so I'm going to make a beetroot recipe. This recipe we can use any festive time in Kerala. Also, this is a very healthy recipe. This can serve with the rice, rotis and bread. For this we need 4 fresh beetroots grated, half bowl of coconut grated, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kasthuri methi or Fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried chilli flakes, 1 medium-sized onion chopped small, 2 grated carrots, and also we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Instead of olive oil, we can use any other oil, cooking oil. Now take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, let the cumin seeds crackle for 20 seconds and add the medium-sized chopped onions. Also add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of dried chilli flakes, stir well. Once it's slightly brown color, add the 2 grated carrots, stir well. Add 4 medium-sized grated beetroots, including the leaves and the stem. You can add them as well. They all cut into small pieces, so you can add them as well. Stir well. Continuously stir well for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir again. Cover with a proper lid and cook for another 5 minutes. Just make sure it's not sticking to the pan. Stir in between. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of Kasthuri methi or fenugreek leaves. Stir again. Add half bowl of grated coconut. You can add as you required. Stir well. After a couple of minutes, we can serve this recipe. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and we will see next time with another recipe. Bye.